ya ensa eyamo yabono bo tukore Jumapili na kulire ira chinga kitwa ya chaka amaya nga ensemo ya kabere tuchikoba tugotwara omogeni oitu tunyara ko batogosanga amonera senchira yubikirano imyaka ebere nyare ko bagigoita mayiga yabara yabagochora sichia bisichiabo tabwo koneka abanyara ko bagoikirania chira chia magendro omwaki ekura we ward ya Masige East karibu sana libakaniria go litikolia lero nyara ko bagosanga amono murayogo tabera nyare kane ngatora muikira 1-on-1 ase ebinyoroga ali akorende ndizi TV tanyara ko batokwari baga karibu sana omweshimiwa mwemsewe ward ya Masige East mekomotume karibu sana
mbiyamono
sina kiogene tamweshimiwa
mbiyanda misi
myaka ebere abanga batanga yabere mekeke gima abanga bagota yabere menene
ya minyokire nakirende abogulire kwaranga because one ebere goto ikire almost gati
yes
na ekero kulire gochimaira andake buna kwara temire kubiko mokia no bogota banga ya elire ngo akiri naro ekero otana bara gembe otana ya elire bwango
all right bimono sana matko amanga nyere kubaga gweta I think tumaido so mwako wachirega ndizi TV kurende karibu sana nyara ko batogo kwanera amange omanyete igaria se ground abakichikora nabarongo chibale barika report card yabanya goichorenga umako mutangani na kitogokoro yokabiro yogatatu na kogendera ndinyara ko batokora na kiyanyarire ko bage ko basiasa nerororo bagotango umako uri gatatu gosori gatano ne siasa yoke gwakwa bono magendero tayo no kurigie chinjera cyo kurya na AC field na kimasige istiero ikrabonega
masige mbiyere litangani mbiyamo na Messi segitisengia okiandizi
yes
irege kake go chase station chetu chagusi munaso gotakwarira make aliagenda tase ward yane aye county yetu na comment yake yagenda tase Kenya
yes
senjo na tabanga tigana ire break yake semiti yenye tatu
amane tatu yarire
tatu yarire na chakire na ndego chiri abantu baito bamburi amaswali
yes
tose mani roborai ondetayo bumanyete no tieriwa no ndago tieri ndegara obumuntu
yes
amasige mbuyere ande tiganta ebembuyamono asa amasige bane ase okumbwate sibaganda takumbwate ni maite tindikirania ebinge binabwata senkora ya na senje challenge sinkenke igana aria lakini tigamba tebimbuyamono asoko ngamaskani asoko mbwatesia emyaka ebere bona yaire bakabona ande ngeri bageriga mbakwani mwenzi mbasabere umutinyo muya oyotoro muya ande mbasabere ebisyo natoga ndeta kubakorera.
Alright, mbiyamono sana emarago byabona mwancho muligiro mushimo sikurigira na gutumire link baronga gitabari kunya kuburenga ye link yere ya umurubiri yo bande mbaroma etabata etanya rekane baisaranse kurigereria umurubiri yo ase emarago byabona kurende link yo neroro mwancho muligiro nyakorega risiko naboko ya bwatia gwetera ndizi TV News Digital yo nero ere Facebook no torego live liko kwanera abire atatu buri ya gwetera se namba ya SMS yegende tokoba yegweta ase nyumba mweshimiwa tutaragenda are narora eposta gete egotara sana se mitandao igoro bya akongregile ko egwakera ngambia mono muroberio o Michael Motume Foundation ase amaya alianyale ko bakwenekia ase imyaka timaiti. Are you aware of that poster konya goetano
mbiyawona sana
yes
poster nerororo erekerna tumugetena ngonya kurigereria ngonya ko reflect ngonya go itona
yes
ase myaka ibirege sana akirchikura ine birengaranya ari gukora rero inari kurigereria nga okoboko kwane kwanya ari gukuna anda hake muntu urengo umwana youth utabwate imirimo naja kurigeri kurna soete pakabono iga nali katu e poster yemo yogotebya abayibuli bali twabwatana na barabu
yes
abana balia ba very disciplined na banya rekonyora ebiparua courtesy of Michael Motume Foundation ne poster ikwara so far asemya kebere na bayire office o maina county tebwatie gas county ya Kisii geni ngaino mwana obande nga ninchengolike gas yo kwabusa teyo
yes
no mo tegara bune gaba ne okwana ne report yeroro kula se control of budget aschibe sa tokonyora se county ya Kisii
yes
ange 65% close to 75% etogutumeka asa mangana ye mishahara na recurrent expenditure iyi minutinga abanje tuligeta abange danichibe yashikugenda asa magende
yes
iyo ekagaranga inchibuno monto abantu bana bamasige ba krita chikura banga krita se komenya scheme yake menge actually kuruna korete form 4 yani 2006 abayibuli bane bangirete boindi gosoma 2007 2007 nanya kumenya Kenya ga motuka mange gasoma ngachako na kinse cyabande okora kigasi na onjuka ne kinse zaidi ya 10 asogotara na asogokora emiremo ekana ire ntego cyagaiga nchaka kwebori na kurigereria ndake bari twasomete na barabo bari gaiga nyora nge tofauti
neroro
ngete binga kiro mwaka enkotema nabiko koboko aswe e family eyemo gusibire kirikire tayare because umuntu okwibwata buya kwamanya gukonyeka so far can I reflect twakonyire under Michael Mutume Foundation twanyare go support abana ikomi gochia Qatar Dubai abande Botswana senarengi na Germany into ile to mwana oyo manda. I was very happy.
All right.
Okarasa ko ngapalini what I do enkuli yabasani bogwanchoku ya au bali chinse chiga ekerebante bingige paruwa ngirega iga naligia omwana uri tayare ubwate passport na bayibuli bae bari tayare korunonya nebesange because nje bweka tinkonyara nangi namo konya wabesa bokeiga twabwatirana kwanyoranga omwana uria onyolire bintu bitakeire ukire nse ya isiko uchakire gokoreme.
All right.
So today under foundation yetu ya Michael Mutume Foundation and then everybody bakora ntumira 10 shillings 100 shillings muskeka to kora charity work yuko gachinyomba which we have done very well in Masige. We have done 30 houses in the last 2 years kwa gachira abantu abataka. We have tried to support abantu babatari kwenyara mona bare mavu.
Yes.
To temire even wakana usuwakanira abare mavu chibesa kebuna bonongo sponsor to mo mavu oyomo every month 5,000 for the next 24 months under Michael Mutume Foundation. So kilikwara lero kiale gotare mitandao ase bali banyarire go konyeka na mbake ase balia mbwato mururi bo konya una natebire talinga ninchi bweka nkoliki kibesa nabakonya nche nkoligia a connection abakora babaira abantu chegent cyari abantu betu kibesa.
Yes.
So okonyora abana bali bakorega asimukora sekinyoro umuntu wakera odesi mimo shimio Michael nchenya lebe ngo kolega si Dubai ega kasonkore company yane ege barua
nkeroro
nubwato mwana or maybe ubwate driver's license na ande oranyale gocha within a week kwanyara within a week natakire ticket kuseneri usabini natakire visa natakire kwanyaranga aibika na bota anyale konyora kibese icho okuvolia list bono mbwata y'abantu nakira bali tayari kwanyara na no bwate 20 30 kwa mo top up kwanyora koregento kikochire.
All right.
Ndare koborro ndare gocha kumanya opportunity area.
All right. Ndiye muna sana mwancho muligire sange keragari kiago amona intemara go bayabono ase namba ya SMS egento ko bigota se tibiago no tole bigo live ase mitanda itemara go bayabono Michael Mutume jira se break ase kagitari eke nabo gitari getambe korendo nyare ko bakwira nande achiko muligi gatika biri yange mitinyibira ya itanga nga misi ne breaking ndake karantiga ndatimoka bona nkamuro tota wikiranire gaiganya ko bagotwerera amange mwishimiwa ase manifesto yago na mange kwanyata ko bokurikira gati yabo gwatebire nga emiremo kwarigirie nchira uranyara ko bawo county challenge eyo nurocenga ase manifesto yago nara yikwanyara ko bagwikirania especially chinsemo chiria chire na kiasensemo chinsemo chiria chire devolve twakwana rigoro amangana y'ikiciro twakwana amangana education especially alia arengete ensemo area ya ECD emaragoba ya bono twakwanere igoro y'amangana y'ikiciro. By the way igore omunyakirogo w'ikiciro ase county assembly area y'itogari.
Yes. Muya kwamboli ase county assembly y'ito ninje internet y'ikiciro obonjorere.
Yes.
Twakorera amange usinande ntubete mirobiri ya binte binge ase ward yanenso kwanera kera na so tororo inaete asara kabere ko bakiciro usukobeka cishede.
Yes.
Sabantu bakorera ebyasara byabo mbaho turu na bone mbure goto ngabwata ngabeka 4 million ase chiro ya kionyo echire ye contractor no ere negendre to kolega asi no nyere sluggish ekogenda ngora contractor yo okoratibu ati capacity ya yechibesa lakini ngwa kishira abantu baito bakionyo ange wiki ya moibere gachera na rae committee yanengi maye assembly tukagenda abwase Kionyo.
Yes.
Tukanyore contract hiyo ikatoa commitment nga orire undertaking by December ngwandara of echiro. So as a market hiyo already has done some bit of work na agenderete but ni rendare ngora konyora contract ichitu chibwate chigasi chinyinge akwa mas chigasi lakini tabwati besa ne county yomalete ko wakana utarakora ukuri. So he is on site na agenderete antu baitwa Kionyo side baba batoereru unatwenda tukakwana. Let us give him time. Ogo sinyo utamne the contract to liyo monto mwa kore.
All right.
Abu asechire hiyo na banyorete na inde echo. Mo yakora tumo ngwano ndo kuna Daniel. Oyo mwabo mheshimiwa Paradiso Korwali Ogembo. He did a wonderful job. Within a record time na nyu kitagasira ana toroseretie echo ingia sana ile Kionyo itaito kitakire go serve a market. Lakini wono nto uwanja cho yetu make because market teraera. So we are waiting a market here. Toligiri tukotoya echire yiga tonyigore neshere nene lindegere echire bwata chingu echaka kora obonjureri echire nene abekirite chiwasa cha 2.3 million nechiro yotanji echire yiga yotanji na chiro twagake akiri abantu na ukarange nanga ene njegere ngora wabuli babutwego bate batigamba bekire shade abuna abakenya eshade yiyo so far the last financial year contractor togetia bakora. But the money is in the budget. I hope Department of Trade nature and a contract as someone to racha kore echire.
All right.
Igase board yane ichine chob into bichiribe. Agatato ya rosatiwe na World Bank ya nyamache kana sote na nyorete kwamete. Erete lakini rituri montari gotumeka. Ngalige intervention litantu akorobo chori asechire yo. Mbwanya akora kana for the last 30 years. Tuakora bochoria se market abantu bakachikura ya nyamache abachoromo wako ndo ku Nelson mu chairman kurwa bwo tukaiwana asenge nje chire iyo yaro setuwe ebe banana collection and irrigation center ane matoke ba collect yo unetundu bali tu ya matoke tukaiwana asenge nje chire yebe kire katikati ye town banjira aba nyabyasa baba kaba kebe nyanya na nini akolera ase e ground kirikeroro. So as we speak, our biasa nyamache ngo access vale the facility but to make a ground kit open and the bwango iga abantu awa matoke mbacha kulia abantu matoke.
All right.
So it is functional. Though to what the reservations igoro chire yo because here as a location yebe kire right inside the center ye town. Nege ntaba nyene batagetega we batetana open air market.
Air market.
So to what a challenging but then the structure is there. Na ebintu ebyo ngo wakibire so far concurrently gonga in terms of trade that is what I managed to do as a award yet for the last 2 years.
All right, mwanjo mo ligire sange kana kiago amona into nzuko batokolire gatie mabuli nabwo birengere mogena tokomo sanga amona into marago baya bono gwetara segeta seni Kendizi TV Michael Motuma mwamsie award ya Masige East ogena tokopata sanga amonera nyale ko bagotweralia nyale ko bagagwikirania ase miaka ibiri nyale ko bagegweta maiga yere gochorwa gochia ase abisi wakwana rigoro ya Kionyo amweshimiwa ni manyete boigo amangana health na already devolved. Yes. Asobango iga obote ni county ya Kisimba nyarako baba kubwatoka na gusiro moroberio bwita bwo kwa renovation gati ya emeroberio ne miradi yekinyagitari eyo ya nyarite ko bage gutigara maiga nabo igo kolonjo bwagachi bekinyagitari chinya ase ward yago ya Masige. Did you benefit in any way?
Yeah, na benefited ase ward ya nembo de kinyagitari sato.
Yes.
No nyango juwata butie ya mekoro kunyamache level 4. Nyagitari yechiga isato echire Kionyo, Kiobegi na Igoma.
Yes.
Kionyo yachage tuna CDF inga kyomoske manoti arenge gas. Kurwa bwakanyagacha ekabachi flow ibere the biggest stall I think infrastructure in health.
Yes.
Ange counting. Nyagitari ni namono. Ekere yakwa meragawe yabeire igo for all these years.
Yes.
Nyasaya buna romuya under the leadership ye county say governor nka request akambekera chibesa 7.2 million chokobeke roof because ya tu iruye kegetambe contractor nere kaewa tukanyire site.
Yes.
Kumbe nechi contractor chino chintegerete echinde chiko sabegasi chibwati besa. They don't have capacity. Akaewa akateba he was to come to site in 2 weeks. Paka buna to kwana ya contractor tera cha site. And now we are beginning the process. You go terminate a contract you monto you etwe then tonyore maybe umuntu munga kwenye sarare to bwate capacity okora.
All right.
Inyektari ende nero bwate ne ya Kiobegi nere contractor ya etwe ye inyektari ne bwate 1 million tatakira ukole maternity wing because inyektari the main facility nerete manada tunkole maternity wing the window servant quarters nyegite ere completely. Inyektari nere kaiwa contractor hajaonekana kwa ground tayo. Italian ya igoma ya bwate 2.3 million ekaiwa contractor to date tarache ground. So I've requested a department of health terminated the contracts and the Chiberi advertised afresh to your abantu wate ability yokuchikora. So Chiberi sanchiro ron chira asira nelinga chigo delay in terms of implementation. So those hospitals in Chiberi total of 10 million.
Yes.
Nyagitari ende inangote ingwadapt itobegete Chiberi ose imbegete Chiberi kuwe ward yana se budget nyagitari anyamachire before. Emachi is a referral hospital no nya geographically ego tebekanangere pa central but ase bonige current budget ingina nye fight ne chinguru chinene ekabekerwa 30 million. So we expect once that hospital is up it can serve abantu bechi ward chirichietana ine urwaba ruriruanya cheki pa central Masige West Ogetauri and Masige East. So those are the hospitals chirase ward yane and that is what is happening.
Mheshimiwa, you can bear witness na lengoro ikirakwale gociuria. I think you were invited withra ase wizara yobo chenu gochiase okolonchi wanokoena nwabene etenda eyo gochiase enyagitari ya Kionyo. It has taken long na kibono na kiabamenyi kigosimbali galia. They listened how the county spoke, they listened how you equally spoke. Whatever is almost a month, if not two months, yes, down the line. Mbarara monto ndo bwensigari. Na rocha basaye so getera bakatanga mheshimiwa. Make sure ngana into to very included, especially as ebwagachi nimirimo y'amaboko ekera umurubiri uranyara ko bawochaka. Is the money there? No more contractor utarachoro. So what's the way forward?
One of the disappointments chira se ora yo monogo tokora unantwe abamc.
Yes.
We don't have control of money. Yani we don't have a fund ora kwane with authority nga genda mobeke a roof ogo saini check kwa abantu. We don't have that ability. Ega sito tokora na any frustration yana sana. Actually nere kogara liberalia ndi mukanda akase county. Okonyoranga kwa fightiri buna bona twabeke irenya gitari Chibesa. Lakini tubwati ability yoko ena na tenda tubwati ability yoko kora kende your work is to oversight tubwati tama hoko ukanyitenga ega siyara uinjuri na maiso and there is no way even you sign. There is no way you even say nga ya erega na mwaka no monto. By the way, we don't have that. Yani your oversight here I can say ceremonial because minus my say a contractor might be paid because you stay or sign. So one specific as Kionyo, what is happening is Kionyo as a chiabon gisiriti. What manateva need delay a correct a contract omaiti contract ekasi egotanga so asenka seti. Abantu ba apply to kama itinga muntu yo apply tabugati besa.
All right.
Kabwata paperwork isaine okora gento serikali yamo negasi ya procurement mwe musietari involved.
Yes.
That is the executive work ntunto yo bakora procurement ba umuntu yeke wamuganye site osase gasi ekorosibo kumbe muntu yo takabwati chibesa maybe na mateni abwata akonya koligi kwanyoro okukanyiri umutinyi mutangani wotebeti abantu ngokorwe oyo kabiri badongo korwe oyo gatatu wacha go give up na wacha watabanga muule tenda and mu advertise afresh.
All right.
So what's going to happen bona inde anoko umuntu mongawo sikuligi na contracting now. You see we have lost 3 months. And again the process ye chake and yokuligi mu contract mongawo but advertise asenka set abantu ba apply nibigane bintu bibugata timelines kwanyoranga egaseta kiro okorekana last year ya ile miaka ebire tarakola but eventually it will be done. The only problem is it is delaying.
Mheshimiwa ankwa konera igo na ndegwa kuna twase obwenge kabisa igoro ya oversight role ya inobondo buna wa MCA Is it really nere mirimo gekogera ekera tukurigiriria ngana bune iyo nande nabo na inchi specifically na ibago cha babulinga ya ngwa toretere tabageni gege mwishimi go totebinga mirimo ene nyare ko bage kwenekigwa is your role amangana oversight. Is it being felt labda se counter simply?
I can tell you for a fact in General Saviri under devolution one year actively 2 years oversight of plan ya MCA is just a fallacy. It's far from reality. Because the MCAs have no autonomy of resources. When you do not have control of resources, we go bow to the person who has got authority on the resources, which means you cannot be able to adequately oversight that person.
All right.
Yani eminetinga mo MCA tabuga control ya chibesa. Chiko korega asiase ward ya. Na ekara tabuga control ya chibesa. Oikego bidi otugame asori ogwate chinkuru echo ne yiye minute nga tokonyara como oversight yanto nyara como rusibinera tokonyara como kosoa ekoro ko bwanga nisi como kosoa buchari kundi na maybe epara
yes
buchari kundi na maybe ekwagache echo school gete so that's why devolution no nyera ororo. The truth of the matter is it is not functioning properly. Because the MCAs have no authority, have no ability to control any resources.
Pimona sana mera go bano mwanchumo rigel ni gotoka ntoka batoko rigereria hali agenderete anene ase ward ya Masige East mera go bayabon tore amo na omo chumbe gosomwa msebwe ward yo Michael Motuma ko ratua mangali nyale ko bagago ikiranirwa ase ensemo area. Your ward is one of chi ward chinde chanyale ko bachikwene kyabuna obwaga chibwe chipara. By the way, from your budget yanyale ko bakwene kiwase omwaka olio 2023-2024 the bigger percentage ya any bonigo ya tokobeko so ase obwagachiwe chipara. Why did you prefer that? Ibirasi mbiroro na bwego tokwa ni gora ya achinya gitari why chipara ase ward yago?
Ase budget ya edete ena ward chipara isano. Ne chipara chiga isano kwanza tiga manyomo tegereri ito no muligereria nga a county ya Kisii ntobwate by partisan agreement ne governor
yes.
The executive. Inga at least carry ward enyore 27 million worth of development. At least yani ntobwate base inga one of ne ya this time yanyore te chinke ekanyora 27 is okay ekamento na 2 million cha ECD class it's fine as long as no nyore you are basic thing kali tunyitike on free range ani konyoranga maybe uli mo governor anchite mono
nera ko batoka chiba chinke yes
mono tukaiwana on that principle and that has worked for the last 2 years. So in the last budget ina watch para isano chipare chisano isato chia kolirwe AMO a contract ga chororo eka grade tera akora eyende atakire ko igurwa ekorokwa omotembe ria machwe ya tera igurwa kare kitege ga cho abantu bake kosalimo ke gatama so chipare iberenjire pending fricha koru in financial year
yes.
In this current financial year 100% of my money che ward usichiba chaba Masige echire 27 million I committed them to roads.
All right.
Chonspi. Why roads? Roads chiko kuna enable us nenchiri factors chiko wakonya elindegere o improve uchumi yao wana uno mwana boda epara is very important elindegere anyore chibesa ondo konya matoke epara is very important au elindegere obosombi bobuya
yes
anyore chibesa so it's an enabler. That's why nanyi injected all the amount of money tiarenga as a budget because nana ndiko barricade another money as a chinya gitari for example echire stalled nimbo ade chinya chiba sambegete se budget yenkoro as a bilasi bya ECD birarosi na recommend chindo kateba chipara na ichande tabantu bane especially to the lower side ya Masige asenkurwa. I've committed ichiba se chigo chororo indegere chipara chirosi and I hope and it's my passionate appeal to the executive inga procurement this time never seamless abantu baito benefit from what we have put in the budget and then kumanya abategereri baito kubekege ntase budget temineti ya korekanira implementation of the budget is different from allocating resources or appropriating resources na bonkobeka bona chipare china gote bimbege tase budget and then chikorwa within that period yo mwako itobegete because of so many challenges and bottlenecks. So I can go to Abanga this time round, fully supporting the executive. Please implement what we have put in the budget.
Mheshimiwa, is it maybe ngwa koleto murubeliro public participation kwenekanga na barabuo okogani kwabo ni okwaru chase chipara go say it is out of just your wisdom ogara let me do this allocation.
Ngo koleto public participation and before a budget teachers assembly kera tuabe proposals ngo irutire back to the wards. Bakoro bagutangasa chiale tubona muna sub county headquarters bona muna Nyamachi no setu bate gwibindu bibekire masigaso mwaka oyo 1 2 3 4 as annual development plan ya ito ekwento tokorosibwa nek so tego kora toikobeka ebweka nabo kobeka ko ikariri bagosomero bakanenga yayi karatiga ngendo tokartaki
right
so we are all in addendum yani ntubugate kaniti inga gongo propose. And then you see, I'm the last person in the hierarchy of leadership.
All right.
There's nothing I don't understand in the four corners. And again, to Kiona, we can't have Antoine Watata. When I want to chipara, terribly the IMS.
All right. Dear Nariga Kurunga Dolvin Mora, together till the end, Kuruchisemba Diaspora, Otabanga Ngwaneri Omweshimiwa, Naboigo Motebiga Siago Koranengia, and ase a sector ya Obochen. By the way, you've been partnering na some Chinya Gitari, Naboigo Kwenekianga, no Nyerende, Inyari kana Mario Taisa in Vinto Binde, lakini you are doing your own, I don't know.
Initiatives.
Yes.
I can tell you under the foundation, Michael Mutume Foundation, we have done more than 29 medical camps. We have done dental work, as I said, to collect the dentists, to collect abandi bakuru Germany, baachire more than 5 times in my ward. Barusiria banta maino saidi ya 300. Barifiriria abandi babeke irwe chichuwa ya chiri bakobeke chireke bishama ino. For free. These people could have gone to hospital and never to make a chibes. We have done cancer screening. We have brought the Pink Foundation from the US to my ward to do screening. We have done a lot of mauga. We have brought people cancer yabagaka. It's expensive to do prostate cancer. Nabagaka abange balibotaka mono bagende andaka se
yes.
Because prostate is all involved about private parts chomo such. This time round, when we managed to bring a medical camp, yogo screen abantu ba prostate cancer, we screened about 334 people. Tukanyora abantu 29 babugate
mochando.
Unfortunately, babere bakule. But the other remaining 27 are in different stages. They are being managed in Gabosongo under Advanced Cancer Center, Dr. Mwamba, a very good gentleman. You can't believe Akoba Church have price just to support their foundation here, Michael Mutume. And even tomorrow, not only in my ward.
Yes.
Tomorrow, and I'm also kuirabanto bande babugata cancer. I want to talk for management. Chimbere chia butoro. But still, na ndokora cancer ya kinde sana. I'm also taking them there tomorrow. But they are not for my ward, but we are assisting them. Medical camps na spearheaded in a ward yane. I think they have done a tremendous work. Abantu barwalite diabetes, babe even informed. You know, naboko bakuromo magunolega otamanye tinga no bugate esukari. Lakini bugate biunga gwatwara esukari. Bonege ntokora tikeke neke. That advice alone, it is a game changer. It can prolong your life. Ekere gwate biunga no bugate pressure. Asoko konyi kulito konya abantu asebinyoro. Chumbi, koreke. That advice alone is saving life. And I'm going to continue on monthly basis because cancer yaitira abantu baito sana.
Yes.
I can tell you for free. Cancer njengo tinda matanga amange sana. Ewodi ya nekerenda chitia matanga ida msiki ko some held up. Amatanga ngo genda semutiyi mundu taiko oro yamugo sobirwa kuete cancer. It has become a dangerous disease saitogaiga. And the only way ora konya abantu baito nekeruko ba knowledge and information.
All right, mbona sana doli nike muntu mwenga kuruchisembo cha kebirigo agotebanga aba MC ba Nyamira wacha benchmarking anyway. Alright. Ujumbe umefika. Ase word ya utimaitho sibache no bali gani?
I'm free.
Ibona sara mwancho muri gererie marago ya bonto gento ko kumurikira manga yo arengete umurobiri naroro gwikiranire mushimero chidaika chitu na chire chingunda komyoka chire. No rutinga naro gwikiranire nande naroro uruche ari a pipeline ari nchira. Kero kende umwaki kura nare gali watanga yaya umweshimiwa nato promise teke nekiri taraikirania. Ngigosora nyara ko komotebi marago ya bono.
Mbuye mono na temile koerera biritua nyare gokora na biribitikare se budget iria enkoro ya etire bono twa carry forward sto mugitigo cha se budget yenya ebintu bitikare to ne chipara ibere ekyo mekorwa ria motari ekogenda ria sindiga ya grade gutwatera era buya its on neroro ne bwa chibesa pending ntobwata machata kiri kule mwasa kuru kwa omokonge primary tarare mwa ande tukwanire water
yes
ntobwate na inde pare nde korwa ria machu yagenda motembe in pass boitangare eroterare mwa. Those are the few things amane nyagitari china kwanira isatu nchira korekana. Those are pending as a budget yito yaera asa match successfully to akora match ya turwa reticulation ya kolirworo amaje to gapambo gaikaturwa abantu bara bayibi bakwiba chiwaya chestima bakagenda oro bakayiba chiwaya chestima kera bayiba chiwaya chestima bona macha inakwe yane yakwe tali wako because waya nchiyo bakaenda bakana arori chirichi waya chabekirwa bayibi bakayiba. Fortunately na iwanga after abantu barera wa macha igana bachandete abantu bakachira ni bakachirutansa so far power terachira ni macha so that water is 99% done. The water macha igoma achage tuno musikio bure some 25-30 years ago nganyabekera chibesa abekeru chisola people are taking and drinking that water. Amachi naro rayande aliria mangirere na to pampet korwa to partner no MCA pa central muracha naragwa kwa asabantu baya mangirere na erete akiri pump na nenga tabunga ya ire batinya kitani nege ndete kwa procurement egole aina na machi naranya match market contractor tiracha na ere site ejakoros na bwati chibesa atakire koros. Those are the things which are pending in the new budget. One or two asoire iga na bursary tindiko eba bukwana. We have done bursaries, I think excellently well, and we have sponsored 40 learners who are training was driving school about to graduate in a week's time, and I will call you each other worker. We have paid for them by the driver's licenses. These kind of skills nchibakonye sana onekere bagora chinse chesiko ichichirensa ikabuna the Gulf na chibonso boito bwansega iga yabachiko bakonya kwanya orege barua. As this current budget one chibesa chamasige east chile 27 million chons preach abekwa ase chipara because chipara na chibakolera bono nimbwate epare nene sana ekurwa sakuru kunyamache ekerema omosocho nyamaruma ire about 9 kilometers. It's a very long road. Ngokorwere pare ko na nyine ke ngokorwere pare ko genda liamuga ka ngokorwere pare kurwa nyabite ya etabuone na injeti mbwati para bono kuja kuerose era sakro kuokinami. It's going to be done. So we are doing a total of 10 roads as a ward ya itas chiwesecho, and I hope unangonya gosaba that implementation ekolekane so that our people can benefit.
All right. Nareke kokoro kwa jeria kerubo listening korwa ngumbu manamba Rain Kingdom wika Kisii County ataba umura yoyo mbuya wikirania emirobiri yaye ya magendro mwancho murigeria bemuna sinjo nayo gusanga ekarengeri kiago amona into mishimiyo chinga kichito chirire kegima timanye tiengana yago yo mwelio kegima gutia se omwancho murigeria aneno mwake kura we wodi ya Masige.
Aba Masige maminto mbuya mona sana soko ngigena. Nonya ngendreta gwetoma unangendreta iga na ino mwabeira bose igetoko nene nande ko basaba mugendre kumbwatis na gonsegeta gukora even more so that totige legacy gostotige egasi renkia neba mambiting yo onde ne yaro raje onyorenga na abwati gya kurigereria akore gwetania siasa ya chakatika berega iga andake nonyomora litamboleti andake mukarura tubwate libirera keigo no monene bworogongo rwa Kisii.
Yes.
Tari yarenge siasa yarenge personal gose yarenge yo kumugorana kubobe. It's about your business, your service delivery and atimbwati kendekere personal as a leadership ye county what only I want as abantu bane ba Masike East is development kedenga kira iki mokora iba have done the best mongirani mokora have not performed very well tonyoru montomu ya urasume Masike ito bosombiya.
All right, salimia Michael Motume is a good leader yakoroke famo Michael Sembo nchiaba centro ngati bandabanga bagenda ko bago tobwate wakarambia mono sokonekana nayo kwanyara ko bago go tune in geta sene kendizi TV ase engwane ya bene twende ko batogotwara amona omweshimiwe nyare ko bago ikirana ase studio ase ayokyanda erikomi holire chiranga halia ense mataranyara ko bago ikirania nanyara ko bago wetoma nakwene kiabu na bonsi banyere ko bakwenyorera chira chamagende sema yakabare studio nyara ko bakwene kichibi chamire cyago chira senchire wikira nigakoro ko sara mu manyire ngoro kwa Josephat Misi nakuganire uburigiriro bya wemero buri ko bwate ntomera namona ikize sato asoko manya manga togana takobata ko batiria kwa semesa ito yamayi.